Hi, this is Diona Koshika. Now, this is our second experiment. Our second experiment is data processing and feature engineering. And the first question is read the data. We use pandas to load the dataset into a data frame. A data frame is like a table with rows and columns. And the second question is drop unnecessary columns. Some columns are not useful for prediction. Removing them reduce noise. And the third question is outlier detection. In detection, I use the IQR method to detect outliers column containing extreme values were identified and removed to improve data quality. And fourth is numerical columns with a variance greater than less than 10. Variance, how much data varies. And low variance almost constant, not but not useful. I rem- I remove columns with the variance less than 10. They don't provide meaningful information for prediction. And the fifth question is I input columns. And fifth and sixth are similar, both are two similar. Correlation with targets. Correlation shows relationship between variables, ranges from -1 to +1, and 0 is a weak relationship. I calculated the correlation between each feature and the target variable price. Feature with a correlation less than zero point 0.2 we removed since they have weak influence. And the seventh question is identify the high correlated features. If two variables are highly correlated, they carry similar information. This case, multicollinearity, we will say. I identify the pair of features with a high correlation to avoid redundancy. And eighth one is drop one feature. Keep the feature that has stronger correlation with the price. From each highly correlated pass, I kept the feature that is more related to price and remove the others. And ninth one is splitting X and Y. X is input feature and Y is a target variable. I separate the data set into input feature X and the target variable Y for model preparation. And tenth one is select k-best. And select top features based on the statistical importance. I used to select k-best with the chi-square test to select the top 10 most important features. And the 11th question is mutual information. Measure dependence between the features and the target. Highest value, it will give more importance feature. I calculated mutual information to find the feature gives the most information about price. And 12th one is PCA. PCA means principal component analysis. Reduce number of features, keep maximum variance. Uh, what are the steps we are used here is standardized data, computer convenience matrix, find elevations and elevectors, and select top components. And I applied PCA mutually uh, to reduce dimension and extracted the first two principal components with the capture most of the variance. And 13 one is LDA. LDA discriminated analysis. A reduced dimension, focus on class separation. I used LDA to reduce dimension while maximizing the separation between the classes. And the 14 one is image feature extraction. In 14 one, I read the image and convert the image into an array. Then I calculated the mean pixel value, which represent the overall brightness of an image. Thank you.